Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Expedia's location or search not working error. First, make sure that your location services are enabled. Go to the App Store Settings app and then go to General. Then go to search and search for location services. Then make sure that your device allows location services. Next, go ahead and allow the permission for Expedia app on your phone. Then check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few hours and then reopen it. Head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for the app and then update the app to the latest version from the App Store. If the problem continues, try entering the location manually instead of using a GPS. That's how you fix the Expedia location or search not working. Do not forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.